Hello my dear friends, today I'm gonna make vanilla ice cream with only 3 ingredients and I'm gonna serve it with hot fudge brownies. The 3 simple ingredients are heavy cream, sweetened condensed milk, and vanilla extract. First, I'm gonna add 2 cups of heavy cream in a container because I'm gonna use only 2 cups of the heavy cream. Then I'm gonna take my electric mixer and I'm gonna mix this for about 8 to 9 minutes. It's almost, you have to mix it till it gets close to whipped cream. So I'm mixing this heavy cream until it gets thick and creamy, but a little bit thinner than whipped cream. This is a perfect recipe to get your little ones involved to make ice cream, since they love ice cream so much. Who doesn't? When your mixer starts making marks on your heavy cream, you're getting closer to be done. So make sure you keep checking and don't go that far to make it too thick. My mixer starts making marks on the heavy cream, so I have to be very careful to don't mix it too much to make it too thick. That looks very nice and creamy, so I'm gonna open the can of sweetened condensed milk, add it there. We are not using the mixer, we just mix it with a spoon. Mix it really well. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It is ready to go to the freezer, so I'm gonna put the lid on and put it in freezer for an hour first. I'm gonna put a timer and put it for an hour. After an hour, I'm gonna take the ice cream out. So after an hour, it's already, the sides are frozen. I'm gonna take a spoon and mix it really well and then put it back in the freezer overnight or about 4 to 6 hours. So when the ice cream is ready to serve, I put a small pot on a stove, put hot water in it, and then put a plate on top of that. Add about a handful of chocolate chips with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and let it melt. Keep an eye on it, keep mixing it and stirring it so they all melt evenly. You could use a chocolate from a bottle, but chocolate from a bottle is not hot, so when you make it hot chocolate like this, melt it, when you pour it on top of the ice cream, it freezes and it tastes really good. My chocolate is melted, nice and hot. I'm gonna turn off the stove. And I made a sheet of fudge brownies. And I have cherries and whipped cream. I'm gonna serve this ice cream with hot fudge brownies. Took the ice cream out of the freezer. It looks really good. To plate it, I'm gonna put a piece of hot fudge brownie on the bottom of the plate and then put 3 scoops of ice cream, my homemade ice cream, on top of the brownie. Spray a little bit of whipped cream on top. I'm gonna get my hot melted chocolate, sprinkle all over the ice cream and the plate. I'm gonna put 1 cherry on top. The vanilla ice cream, homemade vanilla ice cream with hot fudge brownie, is ready to be served. My dear friends, you have to try this at home. It tastes so good. The warm fudge brownie on the bottom and the ice cream on top, it's the best. Thank you for watching, and I really appreciate your support.